This is round 2 of me eating at Crown's Fried Chicken. I got a chicken thigh and 3 of these for just $3. 3 of these cost $1 each. I mean, that's so affordable. Some type of sugary, buttery fried thing. Crunchy and doughy. Not bad. Not bad for $1. I got 1 chicken thigh for $2. Yeah, that fried bread tastes a lot like the Chinese fried bread I'm used to. Just standard fried chicken. Much less overcooked than last time. Very juicy. The seasoning is not as intense as Popeye's. It's just standard skin seasoning with not too much flavor. Not too little flavor either, just a little bit on there. I knew the thigh would be more juicy this time. Okay, I kind of see why they do well in New York now. Fairly affordable. And you could do things you can't at Popeyes, like order 1 piece a la carte and your choice of piece, leg, thigh, breast. They also have burgers and turkey burgers and fish burgers and cheesecake and ice cream. Yeah, they sell a lot. Pretty good overall. Pretty solid.